Hey TikTok fam, listen up. Today I'm about to shatter a big myth that's holding so many people back. Guess what that is? That is that you do not need to be a tech genius to achieve those $600 days in business. So let's dive into it. So point number one is first things first. Let's debunk a little bit more the notion that you need to be a genius to succeed. It's really about strategy, it's not about IQ points, right? So let's break down the barriers and let's set the record straight. Here's what you need to know. You need to know that there is a digital growth community, right? That digital growth community is tailor-made for beginners like you, or you may not be a beginner, but you may be, right? Where it provides a clear blueprint so you know exactly what you're supposed to do on a daily basis. And what that does is that eliminates analysis paralysis. Also, in our community, we follow a 2-hour workday. Time is precious, right? So that is why in our community, we eliminate all distractions, we eliminate foolywing, and we follow what's proven and what works in a 2-hour workday so that you're not overwhelmed, that you can focus, you can have focused actions that get results. In our community, we also promote automation for 24/7 growth. You don't need to be tech savvy to automate growth. With automation in your business, you're constantly capturing leads, getting conversions and sales, even when you're asleep, even while you're with your family, even when you're at work. You could be doing anything and you have a system that can consistently work for you. Also, this is a learn and earn community, right? There's no tech wizardry required to learn and earn, right? The digital product that we have empowers you with the knowledge and the opportunities to put you in a position for daily pay and for profit. And it really is a win-win, right? And there's no tech stress involved. The thing to know is that success thrives in a community, right? A community that supports you, gives you the knowledge, and holds you accountable. Our digital growth community, it really is a way to guide you towards your goals and to support you. So if you are ready to face those tech fears, tech fears, put those to rest and embrace your journey for growth. If you're ready to join our digital growth community, drop a "I'm ready" in the comments and I'll make sure I shoot over the information.